What's the difference between 아니요 and 아니에요? People get these two words mixed up all the time, but it's not that difficult. First of all, 아니요 just simply means no. Think of the opposite of yes. For example, if someone asked you, 한국 사람이에요? That means, are you Korean? What would you say? You would say, 아니요, which means no. But if you are, you could say 네. Now, 아니에요 is just a longer sentence. You're including the be verb am or is or are. So you're essentially saying, depending on context, I am not, he is not, we are not, or they are not. And as a side note, a common typo is to write this as 아니에요. So it's not 아니에요, but 아니에요. Anyway, if we were to ask this same question, 한국 사람이에요? Are you Korean? You could still use this answer, 아니에요, which means I'm not or I am not. But this answer still works too in this case, right? You could still say 아니요, no. So sometimes both of these sentences work. You could even combine the two and say 아니요, 한국 사람 아니에요, which means no, I'm not Korean. So what would be an example where you would have to use this sentence and this one would not make sense? An example would be 밥 먹었어요, which means did you eat? You see, this question doesn't have the be verb in it. So you wouldn't answer with the be verb in it. So would you say 아니요 or 아니에요? Which one of these two answers makes sense for this question? And the answer is 아니요, right? You're just saying no. If you said 아니에요, that wouldn't make sense. Did you eat? I'm not. Yeah, right?